Hello, in this video I will show you how to integrate ARMember with AffiliatePress. Now go to the AffiliatePress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the AffiliatePress integration page. Enable ARMember integration. AffiliatePress provides multiple integration options, like exclude taxes and reject commission on refund. After setting all options, then click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the AffiliatePress Affiliates page. Here, you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the ARMember product. Select the payment cycle and enter the sign-up details. Select the payment method and click to Submit button. Enter the card details and click to Pay button. Now, see the customer purchased the product successfully. Go to the AffiliatePress commission page. This is the AffiliatePress commission page. See, the first entry is ARMember Gold product commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. Enter the username and password and click to Sign In button. This is the AffiliatePress affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab and see your commission record. Affiliate user also sets Disable Commission on a product-wise. Go to the ARMember Manage Plans page. This is the ARMember Manage Membership Plans page. Add new plan, otherwise edit existing plan. Go to the bottom side and see the AffiliatePress Commission Settings section. Enable this option and disable commission in this product.